Mag-KKB lang, ma'am. KKB lang. Just like what we did to your father's, with your father's birthday. Yeah. And that's on Thursday, no?
Yeah, April 10.
April 10, yeah. That's on Thursday. Because we're also thinking of holding a, on the 11th of April, marks the first month of your father's detention. So we want to offer prayers. We're going to gather dito sa mismo, ICC mismo, ma'am. Gabiin na siya. Oh, from, thank you. It would be nice kung naamo dito, ma'am. Dito mismo sa ICC. We already secured the permit, so that would be nice. We also invited some people to talk and to share stories as well with regards to your father.
Ma'am, kumusta po si President?
Konti kasi
Nakapag-adjust na po ba siya?
Okay siya, sabi niya, nakaano na daw siya. Nakaano na daw siya sa pagkain.
Anong pinaka namimiss pa rin po niya?
Family kayo, pagka magdetalya na sa family, parang masakitan siya. Gusto niya yung kami nag-visit kami lang. Ayan, magdetalya na yung si ganito, na apo, mga ganyan. So, but we keep on telling him that we are here. Yun ba ako, ha? Supportan mo.
Support you, ma'am. Hanggang sa dulo, ma'am. Di, kita mo undang, ma'am. Mawagin na siya. Correct, ma'am. Okay.
God will make a way.
Exactly. Amen, ma'am.